Translation. Children, let's try to translate these words in your mother tongue. Talk, बोलणे. Utter, उच्चारणे. Tell, सांगणे. Announce, उद्घोषणा करणे. Declare, घोषित करणे. Voice, आवाज. Converse, संभाषण. Say, म्हणणे. Chat, गप्पा मारणे. Gossip, गप्पा, कुचाळ कथा. Lecture, व्याख्यान. Communicate, संवाद साधणे. Explain, स्पष्ट करणे. Uphold, समर्थन करणे. Support, पाठिंबा देणे. Praise, स्तुती करणे. Recommend, शिफारस करणे. Request, विनंती. Urge, इच्छा. Plead, बाजू मांडणे. Introduce, परिचय देणे. Mention, उल्लेख करणे. Refer to, संदर्भ देणे. Discuss, चर्चा करणे. Remark on, वर टिप्पणी करणे. Rebuke, दोष देणे. Comment on, शेरा मारणे. Scold, दटावणे, ओरडणे. Admonish, नाराजी व्यक्त करणे. Suggest, सुचवणे. Indicate, निर्देश करणे. Reflect, प्रतिक्रिया दर्शवणे. Reveal, उघडकीस आणणे. Express, व्यक्त करणे. Show, दाखवणे. Reprove, दोष देणे. Let's learn the meanings of some of the difficult words. Was taken aback. To be shocked or surprised. Stammered. Speak with pause. Exhausted, tired. Counseled, advised, guided. Affirmative, positive or yes. Veracity, truth. Transmitters, person who spreads something. Children, can you try and tell me adverbs which show the difference in the manner of saying or communicating something? Words like politely, brightly, sweetly, quietly, nicely, lovingly, kindly, angrily, rudely, nastily, slowly, quickly, adorably, harshly. Yes, you are right. Activities. Children, tell me, was Disraeli trying to give a scientific reason? No, he wasn't. Was he only trying to give a message in a light-hearted but effective way? He tried to give a message in a light-hearted but effective way. Can anyone explain biologically why man's ears and mouth have developed the way they are now? Man's ears have developed to register any sound in the surrounding and therefore they are always open. His mouth is developed to suit the activity of eating, drinking, and speaking. Other animals only give calls. They do not speak. Do you remember someone speaking to you angrily without thinking, and what did you do on that occasion? Did you also speak angrily? Yes, ma'am. One day one of my friends had misunderstanding about certain issue and he spoke angrily with me without thinking. But I was calm on that occasion because I know my friend and I tried to clear his misunderstanding. And we were friends again. Good, Rahul. Now let's discuss what can you do to control anger. Ma'am, we can be quiet on such occasions. We should try not to speak without thinking. We should count up to 10 before speaking. We should move on from the place itself. We should stop thinking about the matter which makes us angry. Well said. Tell me, have you ever passed on an empty remark or vain statement that might hurt someone else? What can you do to avoid doing it again? Yes, ma'am. Sometimes it happens with every one of us as we sometimes talk without thinking. So we should also avoid talking without thinking and never say useless things. This way we can save ourselves from hurting others. Very good.